In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a vehicle speed sensor on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. We're going to start up inside of the wheel well. Using a trim tool, we're going to remove the clips for the splash shield. Remove the clip out of the side. Then there will be one on the bottom. There should also be one clip right here that you'll remove. Do the same thing on the other side. And there should also be one 10mm bolt right up here that holds the front fender liner to the bumper. Ours just spins and the front fender liner is actually separated from it. Remove the clips out of the front of the splash shield. Remove the splash shield. Remove the connector off the vehicle speed sensor. To do this, there is a push button on top. We'll push on this and then remove the connector. I used a flat blade screwdriver to help push it up as I pushed the button, and then remove the connector from the sensor. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt out of the vehicle speed sensor. Remove the bolt. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to wiggle this sensor back and forth and try and spin it as well. There we go. Now it spins. I'm going to slowly work this sensor out, slightly wiggling, pulling straight out. You want to be careful not to break these. And remove the sensor. Using a clean rag, clean the hole for the vehicle speed sensor. Get a bit of clean ATF fluid and wipe it on the O-ring. Install the sensor. Be sure to fully seat the sensor. And then install the bolt. We're going to get the bolt hand tight. We're going to snug the bolt down. Torque the sensor bolt to 8 foot-pounds. Pull the connector over and install it onto the sensor. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a push and make sure it's locked onto the sensor. Install the splash shield. Get it tucked under the inner fender liners. Install the clips in the front. If you have a 10mm to install it here. Install all of the clips for the splash shield. Do the same thing on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.